So that was all about the subject enrichment activities. Okay, children. Now, today's session, I'm going to start today's session. Uh, um, Today, 34 participants have come. I'm very glad. Able to see, children? Put a thumbs up, yes. Now, I told you this we have done already. Every sentence when I see, I can write different parts of a sentence. For example, when I say my, it is pronoun. My, he, she, it, they, all those are called pronouns. Mother, mother is a naming word, noun. Mother is a naming word, so it is a noun. What happened? Some are raising their hands. Any problem, children? Okay. Cooks, cooks. What is she doing? Cooking, action. So that is a verb. Cook is a verb. Delicious. Delicious is talking about how the food is, the quality. So it is an adjective, adjective. And food is a naming word, noun. Did you understand these parts of a sentence? Whenever a sentence is given, it will have sometimes a noun, verb, adverb, all this will, what we have learned only will be describing words, all this will be there. Did you understand this part, all of you? What are action words? Action words are verbs. What do you call them? Verbs. The thing which denotes action are action verbs. Okay, now the next one now. This is very important. I want you all to listen carefully, children. So this we have done. So my mother cooks delicious food. I can tell each one a part of the grammar. For example, here pronoun M is pronoun, mother is noun, cooks is verb, delicious is adjective, and food is noun. So now we all know what is a verb. Verb is action. Now when I say stop, what is the past tense? Past tense. Shashank, tell me what is the past tense? You can unmute yourself and tell me, child. Unmute, Shashank. What is stop?
Okay,
past tense. Past tense.
past tense means past we
Past. Stop means,
yes,
for
ma'am.
example, I'll tell you one example, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
S-T-O-P-P-E-D. It happened in the past.
Stopped. Okay, ma'am.
Stopped. Okay. Now tell me stay.
Stayed.
Stayed. Okay.
Stayed.
Now you can mute yourself. Now Arush. Arush. Unmute yourself. Today 35 students have come. Very good. Stay will
Yes,
be
ma'am.
stayed, he said. Okay.
Stayed.
Okay. Want will
stayed.
be. Want will be. Want will be. Want.
Wanted. Wanted.
Wanted. W-A-N-T-E-D. These are called the past tense. Abhiram. Abhiram. Abhiram, unmute yourself. Sister Abhiram. Okay. Abhiram, unmute yourself. Huh. Not able to unmute? Okay. I'll ask somebody else. Sri Sant. Sri Sant, unmute. Can you unmute? Sri Sant, tell me. Yes. Work. What is the past? Work will be? Sri Sant, tell me.
Worked.
Worked.
Ma'am.
Worked. Okay. ED is added. Okay. Harsh Siddharth. Harsh Siddharth.
No, I will tell.
Yes, we'll tell. First Harsh Siddharth. Call. Harsh Siddharth. Call. Past tense. Called. C-A-L-L-E-D. Called. Okay. Vignesh. Vignesh. Cook.
Good.
Cooked. Cook will be cooked. Now, Ashraf Ali. Ashraf Ali. Ashraf Ali.
Ma'am, enjoyed. ENJOYED.
Very good, Ashraf. Enjoyed. Now I'll ask Ayman Khan. Ayman, unmute.
Ma'am.
Ask, some more are there, don't worry. Ayman.
Rubbed.
Spelling?
Rubbed.
RUBED.
BB. Here it is becoming doubled. BB, rubbed. Okay, children? Enjoyed? Understood? All these are called the, what do we call them?
Verbs.
Past tense.
Very good.
Past tense.
Past tense of verbs. Okay, past tense of verbs. Okay, verbs you said no. Okay, we'll see it. Past tense of verbs. Okay, stop, stopped, stay, stayed, want, wanted, work, worked, call, called, cook, cooked, enjoy, enjoyed, rub and rubbed. These are called the past tense. So children, if you understand this, then you can go for the next. All of you understood? Put your thumbs up if you understood. You have understood, no, children? Okay. Okay. Now, next, I want Sai Ganesh. Unmute. Sai Ganesh, unmute. And tell me.
Listen, dash.
I dash to the radio. I, what should come here? Past tense. I
listened.
Very good. I listened. I listened. Very good. Okay, next
I
one.
listened.
Very good. Very good. Okay, fine, fine. Now, Sai
My
Ganesh
sister
over.
passed.
Wait. Wait, children, wait. I'll ask Vilasini. Okay, Vilasini, tell me, my sister dashed her exam. Vilasini, unmute, very good. What should come here? Passed, very good. P-A-S-S-E-D, passed.
PASSED.
Very good. Now, Akshay Jayanti. Akshay Jayanti, my mother dash biology at university. Akshay
Studied.
Jayanti. Spelling you tell me? S-T.
STUDYED.
Y will change to I. Y will change to I. Okay, children? Okay, next. Prince. Unmute. Yes. I dashed TV last night. Prince.
I watched TV last night.
W-A-T-C-H-E-D. I watched TV last night. Okay, next. Next, I want, wait, I have to ask everybody, no? Dhruti. We dashed football yesterday. Dhruti.
We played football yesterday.
Very good. P-L-A-Y-E-D. Played. Okay. Simona dashed for petrol on the way. Dheeraj.
Stopped for
Spelling will be
petrol on the way. STOPPED.
Very good. Here also what is happening? The letter is getting doubled. Okay, children? Yes? All of you understood this? Past tense? Okay. Next. Now there we were adding only ED. But here there is little change. Ayman Khan, tell me. Catch caught. Sing will be? Rishika, tell me. Sing will be?
Sang.
Very good. S-A-N-G. There we have added ED. Remember? There we added ED, but here there is some change. This is also past tense. These are called the irregular verbs. Now next, Sai Srinidhi. Tell me, swim. What will be the past tense?
Swam.
Correct, swam, correct. S-W-A-M, swam. Did you understand Vilasini Sai Srinidhi? Yes. Now, Varun Tej. Varun Tej. Varun Tej, yes. Help me. Think.
I-N-K-E-D.
Okay. Thinked. Okay. Harsha Siddharth. Tell me, is it thinked? Mahati. Shall I tell you? T H O O
Ma'am,
U.
thought.
Very good. Thought.
Ma'am,
Think. Thought. Think thought. Think thought. Okay. Now, Charan Sai. Unmute yourself. Charan Sai, unmute yourself. Oh, Stravya. Okay. Charan Sai. Bye. No, not bide. Stravya. Tell me. Unmute and tell.
And bought.
Very good, Shravya. B-O-U-G-H-T. I told you for everything, you'll not have ED. For some, there will be change. Okay. Shashank. P. Shashank. Unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
And C. I'm seeing a movie. I dash a movie yesterday. Yes, Afshin.
Ma'am, saw.
Very good. See, saw. My teacher is teaching now, and on Friday, Kaushik. CH Kaushika. Okay, CH Kaushika. Teach. My teacher dash yesterday.
Mute नहीं है देख लो.
Teached. Ma'am,
Teacher? No. Okay. Bhavya, tell me. Bhavya?
Taught.
Yes, who is that saying taught? I'm not able to see you children. Because, very good.
Ma'am,
Taught. T-A-U-G-H-T.
U-G-H-T.
Taught. Teach, taught. Okay. I'm feeling sleepy. Okay. Now, next one, Likita. Unmute yourself. Fight. We should not fight. But yesterday, some children dash. Fight. Likita. Fight. Past. Fighted. Saiteja, is it fighted? Ask, unmute. Fighted. Is it fighted or what? Unmute and tell. Tell me.
I'm fighting.
Is it fighting? Shravya?
No, ma'am.
Shravya? Unmute.
Ma'am,
Fought. F-O-U-G-H-T. Now, fight. Fighting. What is happening now is fighting. And past tense will be fought. Past, whatever has happened, fought. Catch, catching, caught. Sing, singing, sang. Swim, swimming, swam. Think, thinking, thought. Are you able to understand? All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the past tense, children? Some
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
having ED.
Yes, ma'am.
Some will not have ED. There is no rule for that. You have to learn yourself. Okay, children? Fight, fought, catch, caught, see, saw, take, took. All this you have to learn. That's all. Okay, children? Understood? Shall we go to the next one now? Okay. Now next one. Able to see the screen, children? Put your thumbs up. Able to. Oh. I'll mute you all because lot of talking noise is there. Please mute yourself, children. All of you, please mute yourself.
Okay,
Now,
ma'am.
please mute yourself so that it will be easy for me to explain. Now, this is also very important, children. This is also important. I work. You work. We work. They work. He will be works. S is added. She works. It works. Did you understand? I will take work. I work. You work. We work. They work. But he works. She works. It works. Now with live. 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 I want Sai Teja. Unmute yourself. Sai Teja. Okay. Now tell me, live. Sai Teja, tell me. As I said, I live. You live. Tell. Shashank, tell me. Shashank, tell me. Say the whole thing. I live. You live. I live. You live. We live. They live. He lives. He lives. She lives. It lives. In the same way, play. Rishika, tell me. For play.
We play.
We play. He
play.
she plays, it plays. In the same way, goes, eats, drinks, teaches. Why I'm teaching you this is, now look here. Now, there is a difference between teach and learn. I am teaching and you are learning. Isn't it, children? I am teaching you and you are learning. Isn't it? Now, will you dash me chess? What should come here? Will you? Yes, Ashraf Ali, tell me.
Ma'am, will you teach me chess?
Very good. Learn will not come here. Will you teach me chess? Okay. Now, Bhavya. Mr. Sharma dash class 8. What will come? Teach or learn?
Son.
Varun Tej. Varun Tej.
Ma'am, his son. Ma'am, his son.
Mr. Sharma dash class 8. Teach will come or learn will come?
Learn, ma'am.
Learn?
Ma'am,
Mr. Teaches. Now,
Teach,
that's why,
teach.
but I told you before, what did I tell you? Teaches. That's what I told you here. Why did I tell you this? To explain you this exercise. Go will become goes. Eat will become eats. Drink will become drinks. And teach will become teaches. Teaches means he, she, it will take teaches. I, you, we, all this will take only singular, work and all. Learn will become learns when we are using with he, she and it. Learn will become learns when we are using with he, she, it. I will take work, you will take eat. All these will take only singular, but he, she, it will take plural. Now, the students are singular or plural? Singular or plural? Dhruti? Children is singular or plural? Plural. Plural. Okay. The students have dash about road safety. Is it teach or learn?
My sister has
Teach or learn? Road safety. They are teaching or learning?
Ma'am, learn.
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 The students
Learning.
have
Learning.
learned. Okay. My sister dash me how to ride a horse. Teach or learn?
Learn. Learn.
My teacher learn.
No.
Me.
Teach.
She's,
Teach.
my has taught. Okay. I have dash some of the customs of India. I have
Ma'am, what is custom?
customs means our customs and tradition. For example, we leave our slippers outside the house and come in. That is our custom. Ladies wear saris. That is our customs. Okay. On Raksha Bandhan, we tie Rakhi to our brother. All those are our customs. Okay, children? Yes. I have dashed some of the customs of India.
Learned.
Very good. I have learned. Very good. I have learned. I cannot, I have learned. Dash. I dash how to cycle when I was 4 years old.
I learned.
This is also learned. Did you understand? All of you?
Yes,
Where
ma'am.
to use teach, where to use learn, and you have to use the correct form. Okay. Now this is about the past tense, children. About the past tense. Now, all the students, all the class 5 students of our school, students. So what should come? Students. Was or were? Were gathering in front of the principal's office. They dash going for inter-school race. They was were. They were going for inter-school race. The bus arrived. What should come? The bus arrived. The bus arrived. And they
left.
What should come? And they past tense.
Left.
Past tense of leave is left for the stadium. The runners were taken to the starting point. The runners dash their positions. Past tense. Very good. Took their positions. Sir blew the whistle. Past tense blew. One student of our school ran fast. And past tense came first. Everyone did their best, and our school won the trophy. Everyone felt. So that was all about past tense. Did you understand? The verbs in the past tense, sometimes they take ed, sometimes they don't take ed. Yes?
Once.
Teach, taught. Okay. Give, gave. There it is not gived. So this is very important, children, that you have to learn past tense. There is no rule for past tense. Some words are irregular and some words are regular. Regular will have ed. Irregular words will change accordingly. Okay, children? Now coming to next, very important. This I want you all to listen carefully. There are two words used. One is fur and one is since. When do we use fur and when do we use since? That I'm going to explain now. When should we use fur and when should we use since? Fur is used for a period of time, from beginning to the period at the end of the period. That is, it has stopped now. For example, for 3 days. After that, it is not there. For a week. After that, it is not. For several years, now it is not there. For 2 centuries, it was there, but now it is not there. Fur is used when from past tense, from the beginning of the time till now. After that, it is not extending. But since is used from starting to a specific time and it is continuing. Fur is used, what is it used? Past tense, the action was taking place, and till now, whatever is there, for that we use fur. When I'm showing examples, then you'll know. Since is used, for the past it is there, now also it is continuing, then we use since. When I show you examples, you'll be able to understand it better. Now, we'll do some examples. Now, I want Afshin to answer.
Ma'am.
I have lived in this house, dash, I was a baby. Now also I'm in this house. When I was a baby also I was in that house. So what should come?
Ma'am. Since.
I'll explain one, and next exercise I'll ask you. Okay, children, listen. I have lived in this house. When I was a baby, I was there in this house. And now also I am here only. Now I have become old, but still I am in this house. So I'm still continuing. If it is still continuing, then we say since. This big jar has been in our family dash many years. What will come? Fur. Because here we are not talking. Now also it is there or not there, we don't know. But for many years. The old banyan tree in the village has been there for the last 200 years. He's talking about last 200 years, but now it is there or not there, it is not telling. So it will come as fur. Nobody has seen him dash yesterday. Yesterday he was not there. Now also he is not there. So we use since. Did you all understand? Since is used for the past, and also if it is continuing further, then we use since. For is used, if it is used in the past till now. Till now it is there, then we use for. Now here, now tell me, Sam has been running dash 2 hours. Is he still running? Is he still running? Is the sentence saying that he is still running? No. For 2 hours they said. So what should come here? For.
For.
She has been a doctor dash 1998. And what is the year? This year is 2020. So 1998 she was a doctor. Now also she is a doctor. So what should come here?
Since.
Okay, Ayman or Anusha, tell me. Tim and Tina have been learning English dash 6 years. We don't know whether they are learning now or no. We don't know. But they have been learning English. Children are coming and going for 6 years. We don't know now they are learning or no. They have been ill they have all been ill last week. This week again. Peter went to the library. He studied there dash a long time. For or since?
For
For
a long time.
for a long time. It has been very foggy dash early morning. How is the weather today? Very cold. Now how is the weather? Still cold. So what do we use? Morning it was
Since.
cold. Now also it is
Since.
cold. Then we use since.
Since.
I have worked with you dash 9 years. Now I'm not saying whether I worked with you or no.
For
For
I have worked with you for
for
9
9
years.
years. He has been in prison dash 2 years. 2 years he was there. Now is he there? We don't know. So what should use? If it is not continuing, the action is not continuing, we have to use for.
For
Ashwin, she has worked in that office dash a month. Children, one thing you remember, for is used if action was there in the past, now it is not continuing, for is used. Since is used if the action was there in the past, now also it is continuing, then since is used. Did you understand? I'll send this worksheet to you, then you'll understand. You'll know how to write.
okay.
For is used when in the past it is there, now it is not there. Since is used, past it is there, now also it is there. Okay, children? Now it is time. And I think it's going to end now.